At 1,700 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, interior tract home with a large backyard and pool is a real gem.
Welcome to 9548 Nightingale Avenue in Fountain Valley. Come on in. We know you're going to like what you see.
Entering through the double front doors, you find yourself in a nice-sized living room with a cozy fireplace. The efficient layout flows into a quaint kitchen overlooking the backyard and a dining area with sliding doors to one of 2 covered back patios. There is a 3/4 bathroom with a door to the backyard, making this a convenient place to rinse off after a dip in the pool. With a split-level floor plan, the downstairs features a large family room with direct access to the 2-car garage and a new dual-pane sliding door leading to a second covered patio area and access to the backyard. Speaking of the backyard, the large, private, and tranquil backyard is an entertainer's delight with fruit trees, a lawn with plenty of playroom for kids, and room to entertain. Also enjoy family gatherings and barbecues, or just lounge around the pool and enjoy warm afternoon breezes. Heading upstairs, the master suite enjoys an en-suite half bathroom and overlooks the large and private backyard. 2 other generous-sized bedrooms share a full hallway bathroom. This interior tract location home is close to exceptional schools, world-class beaches, fine dining, entertainment, golf, and the sports park at Miles Square Park. Easy access to freeways and PCH, this move-in ready house has everything and it's waiting to be the perfect home for you. Please contact us for more details and a private showing.